Hi, Bipasha. Thank you so much for being a part of Zoom's 10th anniversary.
Thank you.
We're calling this a terrific 10.
Oh, wow.
So I'm going to ask you 10 questions and expect terrific answers from you.
Oh, wow.
Like
no,
always.
No, that's pressure.
Okay, the first question, Bipasha. If you were to go back 10 years, what is the one thing you would do differently?
I would be a little more wiser in my personal decisions that I've taken in my life. I would prioritize myself instead of my then relationship.
If I give you 10 rupees right now, what would you do with it?
I would give it to my niece and tell her to give me a massage. Because she
For 10, poor
she
thing.
charges 10 rupees. We don't spoil the kids.
She's really underpaid.
No, we don't spoil kids, and 10 rupees means a lot. We teach them value for money.
That's nice.
And she gives long massages. She's really good.
How would you rate yourself out of 10 as an actor?
Depends on the kind of film always. But where I am today, I would say I'm a good 8 for sure.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's not too bad.
Yeah.
Sex appeal.
I feel that I'm sexy. I'm not talking about the way I look. I feel that my personality has some kind of sex appeal. Yeah, I would give myself a 9.
Wow.
Not,
On fitness.
not bad. I'm 8. I want to be 10.
Really? I thought you'd be 11 on 10 on fitness.
No, my motivation is that of 100 out of 10. But I am on 8, yeah.
How are you as a friend?
10. 10 on 10, for sure.
As a girlfriend?
Right now, 7.
No, really? That's not scoring yourself too high.
Yeah, so like I said, that I have started loving myself more than anybody else. I am a big priority for myself. So as a girlfriend, I think sometimes I lack and I would be 7, yeah.
From the younger generation, who would you rate 10 on 10 or close on hotness quotient?
Nobody comes to my mind. I don't find anyone hot.
Really? Or maybe your benchmark is really high.
Yeah, I like men. I don't. I find men to be hot rather than boys.
On performance?
10 on 10, they have a long way to go.
Yeah.
Each one of them has interesting qualities about them. Varun seems to be like a a full hero type. Siddharth looks like he's the intense, a kind of guy who would kind of do all kinds of roles. But to rank them at this point of time, it's too soon.
Too early for them.
Yeah.
What about actresses? Who do you find really glamorous and hot?
Nobody. I was a Pooja Bhatt fan. And Alia reminds me a lot of Pooja. I like her. She's cute, she's vivacious and spunky on screen. Yeah, I like
performance?
her. Yeah, she's great. I love her.
Performance too.
Yeah.
One date you would love to forget, you want to forget?
I've never really dated so much. It's only in the last maybe 3 years I've dated a couple of men. Because I have always been attached.
Right.
So yeah, no, none of them were so bad that I have to really forget them. No.
Someone asks you for a date. How do you say no when you don't want to go out with a guy?
No one can really ask me so easily. I'm also not that person who can you can't get an answer out of me.
Date approachable types?
No. You can't ask me once and it's going to happen.
Right. The best film of your career?
I had a couple of films which really, really love, has shaped my being, I love straight up right from the beginning. Ajnabi and Raz, very important in my life. Jism, Raz 3, Corporate.
One film of your life which is the biggest regret?
Hum Shakals.
Why?
Not my decision. Humiliating experience. I didn't take anything from the film. Nothing. It was like the most hollow experience of my life.
One praise and one criticism of your life that you'll never forget?
A post, I think Footpath, a tabloid had on the front page, they put a picture of me before and after, and they got it confused actually before and after, and they wrote, Bipasha gets fat. I hated that. And that actually, I have to say, I want to thank them because it kind of motivated me to get fit.
One praise of your life which you'll never forget?
I think Paul McCartney, right in the beginning of my career, he saw Raz and he told Mahesh Bhatt. Mahesh Bhatt made him call me and I was in Goa filming. He said, this is Paul McCartney. And I was like,
no, can't be.
I like, what kind of a stupid joke is that?
Yeah.
And he said, you look like a really young Sophia Loren. He said, you are just such a beautiful looking girl. So that's one really big compliment. 5
quick ways to describe Zoom.
Saucy, spicy, fun, spunky, catty.
For being bold and brazen, Bipasha Basu scores 9 on 10.